Thank you, Mr. Kalfin. Mrs. Evans.
Thank you, President. I was elected to represent Wales in this Parliament, but of course we are talking about the European Council meeting today, and Wales is represented in the Council by the UK Government. What that means is that the Welsh national interest is not represented. The UK Government, backed by the Labour opposition, have been calling for more cuts in the European budget, and those cuts would be devastating to the Welsh economy. I should say that Labour is split on this issue. In Wales, where they form the government, they are actually opposing the cuts. The situation is now that Wales is a net beneficiary of EU funding. Our membership of the EU has helped us to build our economy, and like other countries, we need that support and solidarity to help us to overcome the crisis and build a better future for our young people. That is why I will be opposing the Council cuts to the MFF and supporting instead investment in sustainable jobs and communities at the very time when the whole of Europe needs it most. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Mr. Protasiewicz.
Dziękuję, panie przewodniczący, pani minister, panie komisarzu. Wprawdzie najbliższe posiedzenie Rady Europejskiej nie będzie dotyczyło nowej perspektywy budżetowej Unii, ale przysłuchując się dzisiejszej debacie, postronny Europejczyk mógłby mieć wrażenie, że tak właśnie